What if I told you working 9 to 5 isn't the only way to live? What if retirement didn't have to take 40 years, but could be reached in 10 or 15? In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through 12 simple but powerful rules that can help you stop depending on a job and start building real freedom. The old plan of working until 65 is outdated. You don't have to follow it. You don't need luck, a rich family, or to work nonstop. You just need smart choices and clear steps. This is your roadmap to financial freedom, so you can live life on your own terms, not just someday, but starting now. Rule number 1, change how you think about retirement. Retirement doesn't mean sitting around doing nothing. It means having the freedom to choose how you spend your time, without needing a job to pay the bills. Real retirement isn't about your age. It's about money coming in without you having to work for it. This could be from things like rental properties, stock dividends, royalties from a book, music or online course, profits from a small business. To get there, figure out your freedom number, the amount you need to live comfortably each year. Multiply that by 25, and that's how much you need to be free, thanks to something called the 4% rule. The sooner you start aiming for that number, the sooner you'll stop needing a paycheck. Rule number 2, pay yourself first. The fastest way to grow wealth is to save money before you spend it. Don't wait to see what's left over. Save first, then live on what's left. Try to save or invest at least 20% of what you earn. If that feels too hard, start with 5% or 10% and increase it as you go. Let your money grow on its own through something called compound interest. For example, saving $500 a month with 8% returns could grow into over $1 million in 40 years. Automate your savings so you don't forget or get tempted to spend it. Rule number 3, use the 50-30-20 budget rule. This is an easy way to manage your money. 50% for needs, like rent, groceries, bills. 30% for wants, fun stuff like eating out, hobbies. 20% for savings or paying off debt. If your needs cost more than 50%, see where you can cut back, maybe move to a cheaper place or cancel some subscriptions. If you earn more money, try flipping the formula. Save 50%, use 30% for needs, and 20% for fun. Always make saving a non-negotiable part of your plan. Rule number 4, start investing. Early time is your best friend when it comes to growing money. The earlier you invest, the more your money can grow. For example, investing $500 a month at 10% returns can become $1.5 million in 30 years. If you wait 10 years to start, you'll end up with less than half. Start with index funds like the S&P 500. They're simple, low cost, and reliable over time. Don't try to time the market, just be consistent. If you're starting late, invest more each month. And if you have kids, help them start early. It could change their lives. Rule number 5, don't rely on just one income. Depending on one paycheck is risky. What if you lose your job or can't work? Instead, build multiple streams of income. This can include a side hustle, like tutoring or freelancing, selling digital products online, renting out a room or property, investing in dividend stocks. Even an extra $500, $1,000 per month makes a big difference. Over time, you can build enough extra income to make working optional. Rule number 6, learn skills that make more money. To earn more, you need skills that are in demand. These include sales, digital marketing, coding or software development, writing or copywriting, video editing, AI or data analysis. Spend just 1 hour a day learning something new. In 6 months, you could have a new job or a profitable side business. The more valuable your skills, the more money you can make. Rule number 7, automate your finances. Don't rely on willpower to save or invest. Automate it. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. Schedule bills to be paid automatically so you never miss a payment. Even better, every time you get a raise, increase how much you save. That way, you build wealth without even noticing. Automation makes it easier to build good habits and stick to them. Rule number 8, spend less than you make. This sounds simple, but it's powerful. Living below your means doesn't mean giving up fun. It means spending smarter. Drive a used car, cook at home more, avoid impulse buys. Ask yourself, is this really worth it? Every dollar you save helps you retire sooner. For example, if you cut $1,000 a year in spending, you need $25,000 less to retire, thanks to the 4% rule. Saving is like buying freedom. Rule number 9, pay off debt quickly. Debt takes money out of your pocket, especially credit cards with high interest. If you owe $10,000 at 20%, that's $2,000 a year wasted. That money could be growing for you instead. Use the avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest debt first. Or use the snowball method. Pay off the smallest debts first for motivation. Once your debt is gone, redirect that money into investing and watch your net worth grow. Rule number 10. Know the 4% rule. This rule helps you figure out how much money you need to retire. It says you can safely take out 4% of your total savings every year without running out. So if you want to live on $40,000 a year, aim for $1 million saved. You can combine this with rental income, part-time work, or side hustles for even more freedom. It's not a perfect rule, but it's a great starting point. Rule number 11. Use geoarbitrage. Geoarbitrage means living in cheaper places while earning in stronger currencies. For example, $3,000 a month in New York might only cover rent, but in Thailand, Portugal, or Mexico, it could cover everything and give you a better lifestyle. Even moving to a smaller city or suburb in your own country can cut costs. Use websites like Nomad List to find affordable locations. Less spending, more saving, or faster freedom. Rule number 12. Build a retirement plan with buckets. Think of your retirement money in 3 buckets. Bucket 1, cash for short-term needs, 0 to 2 years. Bucket 2, safer investments like bonds, 3 to 10 years. Bucket 3, stocks for long-term growth, 10 plus years. A simple rule. Take 120 minus your age to figure out how much to keep in stocks. At age 30, keep 90% in stocks. At 60, maybe 60%. Rebalance your money once a year. Keep some cash for emergencies. Use Roth IRAs for tax-free withdrawals when you retire. Final thoughts. Knowledge isn't enough. Action is you probably already know some of this, but knowing isn't the same as doing. The real reason people stay stuck is fear, procrastination, or waiting for the perfect time. But the best time to start is today. Pick one rule from this list and put it into action now. Even a small step moves you forward. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Your new life starts now.